everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're stopping by, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Thank you for stopping by again. So on today's YouTube video, I'm going to be telling you guys how I made my first 100 YouTube subscriber. Making your first 100 YouTube subscriber is just like the first milestone on YouTube. So today I'm going to tell you guys how I did this and how I did it fast in less than 1 week. So if you want to know how to get your own first 100 YouTube subscriber and how I got mine and how you can get yours, please stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that yet. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about here is your family and your friends. Guys, those are your number one supporters. Those are the first people that are supposed to boost you and take your YouTube channel from this level to the next level. You want to tell all your friends, you want to tell your family, your mom, your dad, your brothers, your sisters, your cousins, your nephew, name them. Just want to tell all your families and your friends about YouTube channel. Let's say your family and friends have given you 15 subscribers. Yeah, we've gotten 15 subscribers. So yes, let's move on. Family and friends are the first people that will be your YouTube subscribers. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about here is your social media. Guys, your social media is so powerful. You all know YouTube. I feel YouTube is social media. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel YouTube is a social media kind of. So social media is very powerful. What I'm going to be talking about here is WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter. I know there are so many other social media out there, but TikTok, guys, TikTok is so a social media. Yes, I forgot because I don't have TikTok anymore. So yes, so let's say those social media, you want to tell all your social media friends and followers that you are a YouTuber, guys. Like, even though you have not created any video yet, you want to be like, okay, let's say on your WhatsApp story, you just want to be like, hey guys, I am a new YouTuber and this is my link to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. I'm going to be dropping videos very soon, so anticipate or get ready for me or stuff like that. Even without making videos, guys, you are going to start getting subscribers from your social media. Trust me. You want to do this on your WhatsApp, you want to do this on your Instagram, on your Facebook, your Twitter, anywhere at all you know you can do something like this. Once you type all these things I just said, you are a new YouTuber, you're going to be uploading videos soon, or you have uploaded video, any of them, add your link to like the next thing. Like your link should be below what you've written or the next story after what you wrote. You get? So tell them that this is the link and they should subscribe and get ready for your post. You understand what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying? From this one that you've just done now in your social media, we get extra 10 subscribers. So let's say 10 plus 15, you've gotten 25 YouTube subscribers. Yes, and you can do this in less than 1 day. You're still on social media. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is mini videos. Guys, let's say for example I create a YouTube video of like 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes. I don't know how long your video wants to be, but don't make it too long, okay? So let's say I make a video of like 10 minutes or 15 or 20 minutes, and then I try to bring out those very interesting things in those videos. I'm just going to pick those very little things and then minimize the video to like few seconds or a minute. You get? Nothing too long. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to upload that on my own story. I'll upload it on my WhatsApp story, upload it on my Instagram, my Facebook, Snapchat, anywhere or you want to upload it. Even if you don't want to upload it on your story, let's say you want to upload it on like your Instagram page or your Facebook page, guys, there is no problem, there is no wahala. You should do it, guys. You should support yourself. You should make people know about your YouTube channel. Once you do that, people are going to be like, oh, okay, I want to watch this video, or oh, okay, I've been looking for something like this, let me watch this video and then find out more about it. Or I really want to learn about this tutorial or this makeup, let me watch this video and know more about it. Some people might not want to subscribe to your channel because they've not seen any video yet. So let's say this video that I've seen will make more people subscribe to your YouTube channel. So let's say from this mini videos you have uploaded on your WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, anywhere or you upload this video on, so we get extra 15 YouTube subscribers, guys. I am actually underestimating this thing. You can get more from it, so I'm just trying to underestimate it. So just in case we're going to get 100 subscribers from everything I'm going to be saying here, so let's say that 15 subscribers plus the extra 25 subscribers we had previously. That is going to be 40 YouTube subscribers. Guys, we have 40 YouTube subscribers now. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Next thing I'm going to be doing is still on the social media, guys. Like I said, social media is so powerful. So still on the social media talk, the next thing you're going to be doing is sending those mini videos you have created for yourself to other people. So I'm going to be emphasizing more on WhatsApp. Yeah, so let's say I have 100 contacts. I have 100 WhatsApp contacts. I have more than 100 WhatsApp contacts, but I'm just trying to minimize it for. So let's say I have 100 WhatsApp contacts, and then I send this video to like 70 of my contact list, you get, and then I tell them, hey, please, I just started my YouTube channel, or even though I'm not just starting, but I just made this video, and I really appreciate if you upload this on your story and add my link. Guys, do not forget, once you send the video, send your link to them also. So if they upload that video, they are going to upload your link also, referring their contact to your YouTube channel. So let's say out of that 70 people that I've sent that video to, 50 people out of them re-upload that video and re-upload a link to my channel. So I just hope you understand this math right now. So 50 of those people that re-uploaded my video have 70 contacts each. So 70 people are going to view their story, or let's say, for example, not every time people view your story like completely. So let's say 50 people view their story, and imagine that video is something that people have been longing to get. Like for example, when I uploaded something about skincare or how to differentiate fake from an original, people always want to see videos like that, or something very nice. I'm just saying what have worked for me, something very nice, people people want to see. Guys, from that, you not just get subscribers from that video, you will get lots of views. Trust me. Like I said, asking your WhatsApp contact to re-upload your video, and their contact viewing your video and clicking on your link to your YouTube channel. So let's say 70 of those people will upload your video, and then 50-50 each from their own contacts view your story and your link. Guys, just imagine how many subscribers they are going to gain from that. Like I said, I'm not trying to emphasize on this. So let's say we get 20 subscribers, you should even get more if the video is actually very lovely, guys. So let's say we get extra 20 YouTube subscribers from this. So we had 40 previously, so 40 plus 20, this is 60 YouTube subscribers. Oh my god, guys, when I had my first, what is 60, when I even had my first 20 subscribers, I knew how happy I was. So this is like 60 subscribers. Yeah, so moving on, I'm still on social media. Like I said, social media is so powerful, guys. So next I'm going to be talking about on social media is, like I said, guys, don't feel too big, or don't feel, oh my gosh, I'm shy, or don't guys, if you want something, just mellow yourself and get what you want, you understand? So still on social media, what actually helped me also on my social media was messaging people on my social media. Like, okay, let's say WhatsApp aside, because what my WhatsApp people have dealt with them, they have enough of me. So let's go to Instagram or Facebook or Snapchat or anything. So I don't have lots of followers on Instagram, but those people that were following me, not the people I'm following right now, the people following me, I messaged all the girls following me, because I feel my page is more of things that girls will want to watch. So I messaged all the girls following me on my Instagram, and I told them that, hey babe, what's up, hello, I'm a new YouTuber, and I would really love it if you could check out my YouTube channel and subscribe to it. And I'll send them my link. As I'm typing all those plenty things, immediately I'm sending them my link. Some of them I reply, be like, oh really, that's nice, I'm going to check it out. Some of them I not reply. Guys, there is no problem, just as far as you have sent it and they have seen it. Some of them will see, some of them will not see, but shall just send. And so from there, people might be like, oh my god, I just checked your YouTube channel, I really love what you are doing. Oh, I'm like, thank you. And that's how you were getting subscribers. Some people are going to be like, that's nice, I'm not going to tell my friends about this. I'll be like, thank you so much. You will do this on your Instagram, you will do this on your Facebook. Guys, you know how Facebook is. Facebook used to have like lots of followers or lots of friends, so you cannot do it to like all your Facebook friends though. If you have those trends, then there is no problem. But I did it to like lots of people on Facebook, and lots of them responded to it. I was so happy. You should try it out, and I bet you are going to receive response from this. So let's say you do this on your Instagram, you do this on your Facebook, you do this on your Snapchat, and any other social media you have out there that you want to do this in. Like I said, I'm trying to underestimate it. I'm not going to just take it over the board. So doing this, you get like extra 15 subscribers. So we had 60 subscribers earlier, so 60 plus 15, that would give you 75 YouTube subscribers. Oh my god, I'm so happy for you guys. This is 75 YouTube subscribers in less than 1 week, and I'm very sure you're going to get more than this. I'm just saying. So this 75 YouTube subscribers. The next and the last thing I'm going to talk about in my social media is making sure that your link is in your bio. Guys, you don't want someone to come to your Instagram page or your Facebook page or your Twitter page and what the person is saying is plenty talk. Do whatever you want to do, but please, there is a space for your link on your Instagram page, on your Facebook page, on your Twitter. Guys, you want to make sure that your link is in those pages, so that whenever somebody comes to your page, maybe let me just come and somebody is just passing through, somebody is just walking by your page and then goes through, the person wants to see your link and be like, okay, let me check her out, okay, let me check him out, and know what he or she is doing. You don't want them to just come and don't see anything that they will check on, you get? So make sure that your link is in your bio always. Do not remove it. Okay, I hope that is it. Next thing I'm going to be talking about is telling your family and friends to tell their family and friends about your YouTube channel. Guys, like I said, your family and your friends should be your number one supporters. Sometimes I'll be in the shop and I'll see my mom telling her friends that my daughter is a YouTuber and she used to make YouTube videos, and I'll be so shy, but that is what it is. Guys, your family and friends should be your number one supporters. Sometimes you don't have to tell them to do anything, but you just see them carrying you on their head. That is just how it is. Your family and friends, tell your friends to tell their friends, tell your family to tell their friends, you get? So let's say from those family and friends telling their family and friends, you should get like extra 10 subscribers. Like I said, I'm not overestimating anything, I'm just trying to bring them down. So your family and friends telling their family and friends will give you extra 10 YouTube subscribers. 10 YouTube subscribers plus the 75 YouTube subscribers we have, that will give you 85 YouTube subscribers. I'm very sure it's going to be more than this, but let's say we have 85 YouTube subscribers now. So the next thing we're going to be talking about here is telling everybody around you that you are a YouTuber. Guys, you don't want to be a YouTuber and then your roommates do not know you're a YouTuber, or your classmates or your colleague do not even know you're a YouTuber. Guys, like I said, you should be your own number one supporter. Tell everybody. Do not feel shy. Guys, when I started my YouTube channel, literally, I would go to school and then I would tell my classmates, babe, how far? Give me your phone. As I'm telling her, give me your phone, I'll be telling her, share, you know I'm a YouTuber. As I'm telling her, share, you know I'm a YouTuber, I'm owning her data, I'm going to YouTube itself, and I'm typing the name of my page, and I'll be like, babe, how far? I'm going to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and they'll just smile, be like, oh, okay, no problem, subscribe. Guys, like I said, remove shame from this thing and just do something. You get? You have to push yourself to do all these things. You have to just close your eyes and don't really look at what people are saying. Even if your YouTube channel is not growing as much as you want it to, don't look at what people are saying. Just know that you are heading somewhere. Try and improve yourself every time. Like I said, tell everybody around you, use their phone, even take their phone and subscribe by yourself. Tell your neighbor that you are a YouTuber. Tell your colleague that you're a YouTuber. Let everybody know you're a YouTuber. Okay, that would go a long way. So doing this and telling those people around you, telling your classmates, your colleague, your roommates, your neighbor, everybody, they must know. So that will give you like extra 15 subscribers, guys. So do I hear somebody clapping for me? Oh my gosh, thank you. So 85 subscribers plus 15 subscribers, that is 100 YouTube subscribers. Oh my goodness. Yes, guys, this is like you getting 100 YouTube subscribers. I'm very sure you could get more than 100 YouTube subscribers. And like I said, you have to put extra work on everything I just said. Don't just do a little and be like, I am tired. There's nothing like being tired. On YouTube, you don't get tired, literally. Making videos at all, you cannot get tired. So you have to do these things, like I said, guys. So the last and final thing I'm going to be talking about here is be your own hype man, guys. Nobody can hype you more than the way you hype yourself. I know I'm not perfect. I know my YouTube videos are not perfect. I know that my YouTube channel is not the best, but guys, I hype myself. Sometimes I try and bring it down a little bit, because that's why you're not going to laugh at me, but you have to be your own hype man. I know that I told you that when you make videos, you should make like mini videos and then send it to people. But guys, every video you upload on your YouTube channel, you should make mini videos on them and upload it for your own self. Like you upload it on your story, for your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your Facebook, you have to make sure that you are re-uploading these videos. Everybody must not upload it, yeah, but you yourself, you have to make sure you are re-uploading these videos. And some people will be like, oh my god, I love this mini video you just did, send it to me, let me upload on my own page even without asking them. So it can be that good sometimes. So like I said, guys, do not give up. If you feel that it's not really working for you, just try and research more, try and improve yourself. You understand? Don't feel comfortable in where you are right now. Try and go further, try and better. And trust me, guys, 100 subscriber is the first milestone you will have. You're going to get more, thousands, millions and billions of subscribers, trust me. So guys, this is the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you grabbed one or two things from this. So please try this out and let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Please hit the subscription button if you haven't done that yet. Give this video a thumb up and leave a comment. Let me know if there's anything you want to ask or anything you want to contribute to this. Please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye guys.